New information tonight on the threat of chronic wasting disease.
State officials say cases have been reported less than 50 miles away from Alabama, and now state wildlife officials are asking for help from Alabama hunters in reporting and fighting the disease.
WAAY 31 Stephen Dilsizian was at an information meeting tonight. Stephen, what did you learn?
Yeah, guys, deer hunting season in the state started this week, actually, and now the Alabama wildlife officials are asking hunters to actually help. They want to make sure that they're aware of a serious growing problem, chronic wasting disease. Now, experts say the disease can have a serious and dangerous, long-lasting impact on the deer population in the state and also throughout the country. They're asking hunters to get their deer meat tested this season and also to make sure hunters are following the law. Do not transport any deer across state lines.
If you see an animal that you like to shoot, maybe you think twice about it.
David Heim has been hunting deer for nearly 20 years now, but after hearing of the growing concerns of chronic wasting disease, or CWD, he has questions of his own.
Testing sites and the health effects. Of eating the meat.
The Alabama Division of Wildlife and Freshwater Fisheries held an informational meeting in Decatur on Thursday, teaching hunters about CWD. CWD is a contagious central nervous system disease found in deer that ultimately kills them. Experts say if a deer steps in feces, urine, or even just being in the same environment as an infected deer, it could become infected itself. Experts say there is no cure for the fatal disease that spreads easily. So far, there are no reports of the disease in Alabama, but state officials say cases have been reported in surrounding states.
Mississippi and Tennessee have recently shown that they do have positive deer in their state. Therefore, we need to remain vigilant to try to keep this deer disease out of Alabama.
Marianne Hudson, a state wildlife official, recommends hunters send the head of a deer to testing drop-off locations throughout the state. She says so far there are no cases of the disease having a health impact on humans, but there are potential concerns. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends hunters get their deer meat tested and do not eat it if the results come back positive. Hudson also says hunters can help by following the law. Importing a deer and certain parts from outside the state is illegal.
But it's very important for the hunters and wildlife watchers to do their part by reporting sick deer to us and also making sure that they do not bring live or dead deer across state lines.
Heim is a lifelong hunter, but says that might change if CWD becomes a problem in Alabama.
It'd be hard to put it down, but might have to.
Now, experts tell me you can't simply just look at a deer and know it has CWD, but there are some symptoms to be aware of during this hunting season. A poor posture and condition of the deer, extreme weight loss, and poor coordination are just a few of the symptoms. For right now, reporting live in Decatur, Stephen Dilsizian, WAAY 31 News.